Well, welcome back, all my sexy YouTube followers. I've got another repair in store for us today. This boat that came in decided to hit something sharp. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and I'm going to show you how to fix your boat. Again. So this is the damage that we're dealing with today. It's going to require an inner patch. And when we're done, this is what it's going to look like. Alright, so let's get started on this repair. It is going to require an inner patch. So let's get the areas all cleaned up and start the preparations so we can do the glue application. Using acetone or MEK, you can see that I'm cleaning up the surfaces to remove any oils and debris or any other contaminants that might affect the gluing application. Measure the tear on the boat. If it's over 2 inches in length, you're going to have to do an inside patch. If it's under, then you can just do an outer patch. The inner patch doesn't have to be as big as the outer patch. It's just there to support the outer patch for when the boat's fully inflated. As you can see, I'm marking down where the patch is going to line up inside the tear here. So this way, when I go to install the patch on the inside, everything lines up nicely. Using my Dremel tool, I'm going to now sand down the surfaces of the fabric here to get ready to be glued on the inside of the tear. I'm just going to round off the edges of this patch here and get it all ready for the glue application. And I'm just going to give it one last wipe down before I work my way onto the inside of the tear. I'm now going to work my way onto the inside of the tear here using my Dremel tool. So then this way I can give something for the glue to bite onto. And we'll just give everything one last wipe down with some MEK or acetone before we start the glue application. Now let's begin the glue application. As you can see, I'm applying the glue to the patch here and also to the inside where the tear is. Remember to follow the manufacturer's directions for waiting time and for each layer that is required to make this procedure a success. And the glue we're using for this is the Stabond UK-148, which requires 2 layers of glue. And as you can see, I'm going to fold up the patch here, and I'm going to slide it into the tear there, and I'm going to line it up to each marking point that we put on earlier. Once everything's lined up and laid in, start putting as much pressure to the inner patch as possible. Now let's get the outer surface ready for the outer patch installation. As you can see, I'm once again using the MEK to clean off the glue that kind of spilt all over during the original installation of the inner patch. And I'm going to wipe off any grease or dirt or debris that may have got in there that can contaminate the glue. And let's get this outer patch ready to be installed over this tear. As you can see, this patch is laid out to about 1.5 inches all the way around the tear. So in this way it gives it lots of strength, so when the boat's fully inflated, the tear won't separate. And with our Dremel tool, we're just going to sand down this outer patch. And we're just going to round off the edges and get everything ready for the glue application. As you can see, I'm feathering down the edges. This way it gives it a much more smoother surface and less chances of it catching or peeling off. Let's get this last bit of gluing done, and then we can do our patch installation. Once all the solvents have evaporated from the glue, let's do your patch installation. Apply as much pressure using a hard roller or a burnishing tool so you get a good bond between the two surfaces. If you're dealing in cooler climates or a cold shop, pull out a heat gun and it will help the glue bond a lot easier. Once you're satisfied the patch isn't going anywhere, remove the tape, wait 24 to 48 hours, and then inflate the boat. Once everything is cured, inflate the boat, spray it down with some soapy water to make sure there's no leaks, and then you'll know you'll have a successful repair. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video there. It was definitely a fun one, I tell you that. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button somewhere around here. And subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. And happy boating, everybody. We'll see you on the next video.